Hi dear investors, you're watching a batch of the crypto news for the week from August 24th until 30th with me, Maria Stardup. Almost 40% of Bitcoin has been stored in an inactive wallets for more than 3 years. Wallets of some Coinbase clients have been emptied. Display glitches occurred on the crypto platform before and were explained by hidden attacks of smart contracts. It looks like the PEPE meme coin is also in trouble. Its founders also disappeared, but they did not leave empty-handed. Each of our weekly reviews has some news and stories about scammers, crypto pump, and the standoff between the crypto industry and watchdogs. Every time the US Securities and Exchange Commission comes to the fore. As for other characters in this sequel, let's get to know newcomers. Some of them are very optimistic. The commission itself deals with a federal lawsuit. It's in no hurry to push ahead with court proceedings. The commission has already filed lawsuits against Ripple, Coinbase, and Binance. The latter has been accused of 13 wrongdoings. This week, the Commission has provided a new package of evidence that could diminish the chance of Binance winning the trial. Besides, the Commission has complied with a blacklist of 60 tokens acknowledged by the regulator as securities. This way, the regulator crashes their market quotes and bars their access to crypto platforms. The watchdog has got dozens of applications for spot Bitcoin ETFs on the table. In case they are launched, the ETFs will have the opportunity to buy Bitcoins and offer linked shares on the stock exchange. The countdown for the deadlines allocated for ETF registration starts from the moment when the application is filed to the registry. The first deadline is set for September 1st. On September 2nd, 5 contenders, including one of the largest investment firms, BlackRock, should receive their verdict. Despite the fact that none of the companies have received the green light yet, some members of the crypto community are confident that the first provider of a spot Bitcoin ETF will be the investment giant BlackRock. Interestingly, out of nearly 300 applications submitted for ETFs related to other assets, the regulator rejected only one. However, according to the law, the Commission can extend the consideration period up to 240 days. There is little doubt that the Commission will likely take advantage of this possibility. If at least one application is approved, Bitcoin is likely to respond with a rapid rally and the crypto market will revise its sentiment. Furthermore, the district appellate court could compel the regulator to approve a spot Bitcoin ETF based on the grounds that the Securities and Exchange Commission has previously approved several futures-based Bitcoin ETFs. On August 29th, the U.S. appellate court ruled that the Commission's rejection of Grayscale's application to convert its Grayscale Bitcoin Trust into a spot Bitcoin ETF was arbitrary and capricious. Apparently, many participants in the crypto community saw Grayscale's victory as a positive signal for the entire crypto market. Bitcoin surged instantly in light of the news. The sluggish sideways trading at around $26,000 since August 18th gave way to a rally. As a result, the flagship cryptocurrency quickly tested high above $28,000. However, the bulls could not assert their strength. In the end, Bitcoin closes August with well below its monthly highs at about 27,300. Experts believe that selling pressure in the market is easing. Meanwhile, long-term holders continue to accumulate Bitcoins. At the same time, investors who bought the crypto asset later during the bear market are feeling concerned. Specifically, on August 17th alone, short-term holders liquidated coins worth over $1 billion. The chart of the crypto with the second largest market value went through the same stages as Bitcoin. First, the price got stuck in a narrow range between 1,633 and 1,660. Then the price jumped a bit higher than 1,740. Eventually, the token slipped to the round level of 1,700. Bitcoin has gained 2.6% in the last 7 days, but Ether's growth has been twice weaker. It has grown by 1.2% for the last week. Coin is recognized as an indisputable champion with a remarkable 20% increase over the 7-day period. On August 29th, its price leapt by 13%, pushing the asset to $1.7. As the altcoin's value increased, so did its market capitalization. Ranked as the 11th largest cryptocurrency in the world, Coin is aiming to break into the top 10, which seems a realistic goal. With its current market capitalization of $5.8 billion, it only needs $1 more billion to challenge the 10th position held by Tron, created by Justin Sun. To achieve this, investors merely need to refrain from selling their holdings and taking profits. The US regulator is not the only catalyst of moves in the crypto assets. Digital money is still firmly pegged to fiat currency, first and foremost the US dollar, which is the source of their liquidity. The US dollar index sank at the beginning of the week due to poor macroeconomic data, in particular some softness in the labor market, low consumer confidence, and other weak metrics. As a result, the greenback came under selling pressure on Tuesday, August 29th. On Wednesday, the index fell to 102.9, the lowest level in 2 weeks. As we can see, the meme coin PEPE struggled to keep up with the rest of the cryptocurrencies this week. In fact, it holds the anti-record among them. This week, the token has slumped by 21%. The main cause of this collapse is a scandal involving suspicious transactions and allegations of fraud surrounding the notorious frog-shaped coin. The developers have been suspected among the potential culprits, who in turn accused the project's team. A message appeared on PEPE's official social media account on platform X, previously known as Twitter. The message reads that a few days ago, former founders of the project stole 16 trillion tokens, amounting to nearly $15 million. Remarkably, the social network X, the former Twitter owned by businessman Elon Musk, has obtained a license from Rhode Island to offer financial services, including transfers of fiat money and cryptocurrency. Lots of crypto funds welcomed the news as a good omen for the whole crypto industry. Our roundup is over. Good luck in trading. See you in a week on September 7th. Don't miss it.